On the morning of March 9, the Bitcoin fell to $2,600 for the first time since February 14. According to CoinGecko, the asset is trading at $21,700, a daily decline of 1.1%. About it writes RBC Crypto Value First cryptocurrency at first in March fluctuated in the range of $22,600, but by March 8, it had dropped to mark of $21,900, and by the morning of March 9, it dropped to $216,000. The rates of the leading altcoins also showed decline. Ethereum fell in 24 hours by 1% to $1.53.000. The price of Cardano fell 1.5% to 31 cents from Allen by 5.3% to $18.06. Total cryptocurrencies market capitalization turned 1% in 24 hours to $1.043 million. According to the service CoinEye, over the past 24 hours, there have been forced closed traders' positions to the tune of 99 million. The largest number of liquidations was on the Bitcoin pair, $24 million, and second place was Ethereum, with losses of $12.5 million. Note that over the past few days, the Bitcoin has continued to slide down. The speech of the head of the Fed has added optimism in the market, although in the whole who was prepared for it, as said Paul is reported head of the Fed. Inflation continues to remain at a high level. The rate will have to increase in order to achieve the targets. The Bitcoin exchange rate reacted fall to the speech of the head of the Fed on 7 and 8 March. The markets were generally prepared for that, reported Durham Powell. Despite some estimates, Bitcoin will not be able to hold near the mark of $22,000. For now, Bitcoin growth factors are unforeseeable. There are projections claiming that the cryptocurrency will fall to the $15,000 mark, and only then, however, if the KI can hold the all-important $20,000 level. For at least the next few days, the asset could start to test the $22,500 level. At this point in the market, known believing viewpoints according to one, the price of Bitcoin within a few years, the price of Bitcoin will reach $100,000, is that we should expect for Bitcoin to recover to at least $30,000 will take. Which of the above point of view is probably right now? Both points of view. There is too much uncertainty that's been generated of the past few years when, because of the often meaningless restrictions, the economy, a lot of countries were going into recession. As indicated earlier, there are no fundamental factors that would help Bitcoin to dramatically increase its price. Even though there are not yet the fundamental factors that would allow Bitcoin to cross the $23,000 threshold, the value of the asset is not doubt that for many players, this situation is advantageous because they can buy Bitcoins and then take profit when the Bitcoin price goes up. In the short term, the Bitcoin will most likely be in range of $21.5 to $2.500. The local downtrend that will result in Bitcoin will fall below $21.500. And if the price of Bitcoin stays in the current range, it could start test the level of $22.500 and then $23,000 in total. The value of Bitcoin is unlikely to deviate from the current values of A. It means that the bullish trend has not yet come on, and we'll say goodbye to you. To our channel by clicking on the bell, and also be sure to write your comment below the video.